Now this illustration deals with the protection of control circuits. Now notice in the illustration, just to make it simple, we show an overcurrent device in our service equipment supplying a fusible disconnect with a 6 amp fuse. We're supplying the primary side of a control transformer, coming off of the secondary side of that transformer with control voltage going through a toggle switch to disconnect power and provide power to the coil to energize this contactor. And then we show a 480 volt system supplied through a disconnect with fuses supplying the line side of the controller. Now, we're reviewing 430.72b for the branch circuit supply to the line side of the controller. But for the controller, we're looking at 725.45d as in dog. The control transformer that you see in the illustration is 2200 VA, 2-wire, 480 volt primary, 240 volt secondary. And we're using these two sections to size the fuses to see if these 6 amps fuses will be okay using a certain size conductor that will be illustrated in our illustration that we're going to go over with you next.